Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to find 16-digit debit card number without actually having your card physically right here with you. So basically, before we get started, subscribe down below for more videos just like this and let's get started. So obviously, when you're looking at a debit card number, you have a couple of options. So option one or method one is to go online or mobile banking or visiting the bank, right? So you can go to bank's website, open your mobile app on your phone, log in with your username and password, or create an account if you don't have one yet. Now, once you're logged in, you can find the section that shows your account details or credit card or debit card information. From here, you can see view account details and manage cards and card information. So this is the first way how you will be able to do it. Now, obviously, if you have a Fee Money app, you can go on your Fee Money app, you can tap the debit card icon, and then you can enter your secure PIN, or you can contact your bank's customer service as well to find your bank's customer service phone number. So that's basically what you can do. Obviously, you can find your debit card number from account statements or transaction history as well, which you can go to if you log in into your online or mobile banking app. Either way, you will need to have your mobile or online banking app. You need to find the section with your transaction history and select the time period and when you used your debit card. So from there, you can check your transaction details to find your 16-digit debit card number. Now, method 4 is the final method. You can go to the bank and then you can ask them for your code. Obviously, you will need to bring a government issued ID or passport for identification verification. But that's pretty much how to find a 16-digit debit card number without having a card. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and we'll see you in the next video.